Hi everyone, welcome and thank you for joining us at golfcartgarage.com. Today on GCGTV, we're installing a street legal light kit on our Club Car Precedent. We have halogen or LED basic and street legal level kits for popular models from Club Car, E-Z-GO, and Yamaha. The kit we're using includes headlights, tails, wiring, turn signals, brake lights, and other features. I may not be very bright, but at least now the cart is. Because our Club Car has 8-volt batteries, we need a voltage reducer down to 12 volts to power the lights properly. If your cart has 12-volt batteries, you won't need this. We set the parking brake, switch to tow mode, and disconnect the leads from the batteries. Safety first, we want to light up the cart, not the installer. And speaking of installers, invite a friend over to help with changes to suspension, powertrain, or electricity to make sure you're not alone in the event of a safety issue. Or even better, you could choose a qualified professional for big jobs like this. But today, I'm doing it instead. Who writes this stuff? Heads up for Club Car drivers. Precedent carts come equipped differently from consumer to fleet or course carts and model year. This fleet model had to start from scratch. If you're considering lights or other upgrades, we want to help with your next project. So stop by golfcartgarage.com or give us a call, 1-800-401-2934 to speak with our customer care specialists. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more episodes. Thanks for watching GCGTV.